In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable automatic ticket tagging in Zendesk support. Whether you're new to Zendesk or just looking to fine-tune its settings for your customer support team, understanding how to manage ticket tagging is crucial. Automatic ticket tagging is a feature that can help categorize and sort incoming tickets based on certain keywords, but sometimes a more hands-on approach is needed. Maybe you've noticed tags appearing that don't quite fit your organization's workflow, or you're aiming for a more streamlined ticket management process. Whatever the reason, I'm here to guide you through the process of turning off this feature. To get started, you'll need to access the Admin Center. This is where all major settings adjustments happen within Zendesk. Once you're in the Admin Center, look for the sidebar. You'll want to navigate to the section labeled Objects and Rules. This area is essential for managing how Zendesk interacts with various aspects of ticketing and more. Once you're there, go ahead and select Tickets. Then head over to Settings. It's in this area that we can access the particular functionalities we want to adjust. When you're in the ticket settings, you'll see different options related to how tickets are processed and handled in your Zendesk environment. Here, you'll want to locate the Tags section and click on it to expand it. This section is critical because it allows you to control how tags, those little bits of metadata added to tickets, behave. Under the Allow Tags on Tickets subheading, you will find the option called Turn on Automatic Ticket Tagging, or sometimes you might see it labeled as Enable Automatic Ticket Tagging. This is the feature responsible for automatically adding tags based on preset rules or keywords. To disable this, you simply need to deselect this option. Make sure there is no checkmark in the box, and once you're sure everything looks right, don't forget to hit Save. It's important to save these settings to ensure your changes take effect. Once saved, the automatic tagging system will no longer apply tags to incoming tickets based on keywords. This can be a step forward if you're looking for manual oversight on ticket categorization. Now, if you're going a step further and you want to disable the ability for agents to manually tag tickets via the user interface, you can also handle that here. Still, within the Tag section, you'll find an option labeled Allow Tags on Tickets. By deselecting this option, not only will automatic tagging be off, but you'll also prevent agents from manually adding tags altogether. This might be useful in environments where you want to maintain a very controlled tagging scheme without deviations. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're now equipped to manage ticket tagging within your Zendesk support system exactly the way you prefer. I hope this guide has been helpful, and remember, you can always return to these settings if you need to adjust your preferences down the line. Thanks for watching, and happy managing.